the Educational Leadership in Practice course is structured is that every element of it, every module is new. This is not a collection of existing courses that have been put together to form a new course. Every course was written specifically for this programme so that it is blended learning and so that it suits the timing and the availability of busy educational professionals. So we build this course around conferences, first of all. And conferences are the term that we use to describe a series of learning activities that relate to our course units. We have workshops that support students with those course units, but they are called conferences because they also involve guest speakers, because we can call upon internationally known scholars from the University of Manchester and elsewhere to lecture to our students. So that's the first important element. Secondly, we run tutorials. Tutorials will probably continue to be online to make them as accessible as possible, whereas the conferences we aim to run face-to-face. And then we have individual support from tutors through each of the course units. I'd like to talk a little about what students will learn on the Educational Leadership in Practice course. And the first thing I'd mention is theories and models of educational leadership. Not learning how to do leadership, but how leadership works and what can be gained from leadership and what sort of educational leader you want to be. Secondly, research skills, academic practice in researching educational leadership. And that is not purely from a theoretical point of view, that is from a very practical point of view. And so students will learn to conduct empirical research in their own institutions. They can choose, plan and conduct a research project in their own institution, and we will support with that with teaching on academic research skills. And the final project that ends the programme is an opportunity to display how much they have learnt and how they can apply those skills. In terms of individual course units, one that I'd mention in particular because it's a significant one for us, and that is called Educational Leadership as a Social Practice. And we like our students to think of educational leadership as a social practice. We model that ourselves as a team of tutors. We work together, we collaborate. But also we encourage our students to collaborate as well with their colleagues, maybe from other centres, certainly from the centre to which they are attached. A really important element of our course is what we refer to as the conferences. And these conferences consist of usually 3 days of intensive teaching sessions related directly to the course units, but also we have inputs, usually in the form of lectures or seminars, from the scholars that we can call upon, leadership scholars from the University of Manchester and from other universities as well.